In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare assets by overlaying charts in TradingView. If you've ever wanted to analyze multiple assets simultaneously and see how they stack up against each other over time, then this tutorial is just what you need. Follow along, and by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to overlay charts and start making more informed trading decisions. Let's begin by opening your chart in TradingView. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned trader, logging in and accessing your charts is the first essential step. You might have a specific asset you're interested in analyzing. Perhaps it's a currency pair like EUR, USD, Bitcoin, or even an index such as the Nasdaq. Once you're in, you'll see your chosen asset displayed as the primary chart on the screen. This is your starting point. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar, where you'll notice a button labeled Compare. In some versions of TradingView, this may also be displayed as Add Symbol. Go ahead and click on this option. This tool is extremely powerful as it allows you to bring in another asset for comparison, providing you with a broader context of market conditions. By overlaying two assets, not only can you spot potential trading opportunities, but you can also assess correlations and divergences, which are crucial in developing a comprehensive trading strategy. Once you've clicked Compare or Add Symbol, a search bar will pop up. Here you can type in the symbol of the second asset you'd like to compare. Perhaps you're interested in how a particular stock is performing against a major index, or maybe you're curious about the relationship between two currency pairs. Enter your chosen symbol, such as EUR, USD, BTC, or Nasdaq, and select it from the list that appears. After you've made your selection, the secondary asset will now overlay onto your existing chart. You'll see both assets on the screen, usually in different colors for easy differentiation. This visual comparison is invaluable, offering insights into price movements and trends that might not be immediately apparent otherwise. And there you have it. It's as simple as that to compare assets using TradingView's overlay chart feature. By practicing this technique, you can enhance your analytical skills and deepen your understanding of market dynamics. Keep experimenting with different combinations of assets, and you'll find yourself becoming more adept at visually interpreting complex data. So, whether you're strategizing for your next big trade or just keeping an eye on market trends, knowing how to overlay charts in TradingView is a skill that will aid you time and time again. Thank you for following along, and happy charting.